midst of chaos, four extraordinary heroes rise to meet the call of destiny.
Truthfully, this day's channels with animation video tend to be doing so well, just like channels with videos like this one, and this one receive thousands of views weekly. And many of these channels generate millions of dollars monthly. All right, let's dive straight into the main deal. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to create Marvel character animation videos with some AI tools, so your videos can go viral just like many others. And also, I'll show you how to write image prompts for each character you'll be generating, as well as video prompts for different scenes and voiceovers for your videos. Make sure you stick around until the end to get all the details. First, we'll be using ChatGPT to generate our prompts. As you can see, I've already written the prompts for ChatGPT, which you can find in the video description. For the prompt that allows ChatGPT to generate character image and video prompts, I'll copy the pre-written text and paste it into ChatGPT. Then, I'll hit enter. Next, we'll proceed to generate each image using the prompts created by ChatGPT. As you can see, ChatGPT has successfully generated image prompts for each character. Now, we'll use an AI text-to-image tool for the actual image generation. The tool we'll be using is called Leonard.ai. Leonard.ai is a popular AI software for converting text into realistic images. It offers advanced tweaking and customization options, along with a free plan that includes daily gifts and bonuses for generating AI images. To begin using this tool, simply click the link in the description of this video. This will take you to Leonard.ai's homepage. Once there, click on Get Started to begin the sign-up process and create an account. It's completely free. Leonard.ai offers various tools, such as motion generation, but for this tutorial, we'll be focusing on its image generation tool. After signing up, click on Image Creation to start. Upon registration, Leonard.ai gives you 150 free credits to create images. Once these credits are exhausted, you can either upgrade your plan or wait for the next day to get more free credits. To create your first image, open ChatGPT and copy the image prompt for your character. Paste the prompt into Leonard.ai's text box and click Create. Leonard.ai will generate 4 different images for you to choose from. Once you've selected the image you like, click the download icon to save it to your device. Repeat this process for each of your characters. For video creation, we'll be using another powerful tool called Hailuo.ai. Here's how to get started. Open your browser and go to Hailuo.com. Create an account with Hailuo.ai to start using it for free. Upon signing up, you'll receive free credits to turn your images into stunning videos. To begin creating your videos, click on Create and upload the image you want to turn into a video. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for your character. Paste the prompt into Hailuo.ai's text box and hit Create. This process may take a few minutes depending on the complexity of the video. While waiting, you can start working on other images. Once your video is ready, click Download to save it. Repeat this process for all your other images to create videos for each character. All right, next, we're going to generate voiceovers for our video. Adding voiceovers for every scene will make your video more realistic and engaging. For this, we'll be using ChatGPT to generate the voiceover scripts and lagend.io to create the actual voices. First, go to ChatGPT and copy the voiceover prompt provided in the description of this video. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT now that we have our scripts. Head over to lagend.io. Copy the text for each scene from ChatGPT. Paste the script into lagend.io. Choose a voice from over 100 different options available on the platform. Generate and download the voiceover for each scene. Repeat this process for every scene in your video until all your voiceovers are ready. T to generate the voiceover script for each scene. See, you've downloaded all the voiceovers. It's time to bring everything together into a polished video. For this, we'll use Capcut Pro, which allows you to edit your videos, add transitions, sound effects, and more. If you don't already have Capcut installed, click the link in the description to download and start using Capcut Pro for free. Open Capcut and create a new project. Upload your videos in the correct sequence. Add the voiceovers you generated in Leonard.ai, aligning them with the corresponding scenes. Enhance your video with transitions to make scene changes smooth, sound effects to add realism and engagement. Adjust timing and visuals to ensure everything flows perfectly. Once you're satisfied with your edits, click the export button to download your final video. And there you have it. With the help of Hailuo.ai, Leonard.ai, ChatGPT, Leonard.io, and Capcut, you can create professional, engaging videos in no time. Now, let's watch the video we just created.
In a world teetering on the edge of chaos, 4 extraordinary heroes rise to meet the call of destiny. High above the city, Captain Solarius commands the skies, harnessing the power of the sun to protect the innocent. From the shadows of the ancient forest, Lunar a shadow emerges, her crescent blades glinting under the light of the moon. And from the farthest reaches of the cosmos, Stellarian descends, a guardian of galaxies wielding the power of the stars. In the heart of innovation, Mechstrike happily prepares his arsenal. His plasma cannon hums to life, ready to strike with precision.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications for more interesting tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.